Hello, you've reached Nighthawk Entertainment, and my name's Betty. Thank you for stopping by. If you would please like, share, subscribe, that would be great. Thank you. Today, I'd like to talk about what's going to be happening for probably the next 6 months. It's going to be a roller coaster. So I want you to buckle up, get secure wherever you're at, and enjoy the ride. We're going to have a lot of ups and downs and arounds and whatever you want to call it. It's going to be bumpy. I want you to understand that this is part of Gaia cleansing. The earth is going to be floods, earthquakes, volcanoes, of course, hurricanes, tornadoes, things like that. But out of the ordinary, it's going to be 100-year flood or 100-year, whatever weather phenomena is happening. This is happening because we as a people have not stood up to climate change deniers, that they are in control. They are stripping our earth and for money that only they get. They're not even sharing it with the other populations. It is crazy what they're doing, and Gaia has had enough. And so there's going to be major, major flooding. And so just get ready. There's going to be major storm going on with snow. Be prepared. Be prepared for your electric going out, that you can't go anywhere. Uh, have food stocked up, water stocked up, bandages, anything you would need from a store. You need to have them ready for this winter because many, many of you will be under severe storm warnings that's going to be happening. And until we get on our stick and start saying no to big oil, big coal, then this is going to continue to happen. But please don't worry. Don't worry. Don't fret. Don't get all bent out of shape. These things will too pass. And it will definitely be a learning of what we need to learn. Lessons are always so painful. And unfortunately, we haven't learned that yet. We haven't learned to do it before we are kicked in the butt. We always have to push it off until we get that kick in the butt, and it always, always hurts. So please don't get all freaked out. It will be okay. But there is more virus coming. You're going to need to protect yourself. There's storms. You're just going to need to protect yourself. Thank you for watching. Don't worry. Everything will be okay. Just remember, you are a part of the one, and that's all you need to know. You are loved, and you are here for a reason. Thank you. Entertainment only, YouTube. Thank you.